Hello internet, welcome back to another video. In this video let us quickly unbox this MI LED smart LED and let us see, is it worth buying MI LED. So the front box looks something like this, and it comes with a B22 holder, which is nothing but an Indian holder where you can see where you have these two pins. It can be easily connected to any other holders. So it looks little heavy, which was around $7.99 I believe. So without wasting much time, let us quickly unbox it. Safety first. So in the box you get a small manual. I don't think it's not much useful. It is self-explanatory. And here comes the bulb. Oh my god, it looks pretty heavy. Oh. So let us quickly connect it and let us see how the app works and its functionality, what are the different colors it can project, etc. I'm not sure whether you guys can see this. It is very bright. This is the normal setting, I believe. Let us quickly open the MI app and try to configure the light and see how it performs. Okay, you can change the color as well. And there is another option as well in the app, flow. When you click on it, automatically changes the colors. It looks interesting but not that great. And even you can switch off and switch on. So if you want a normal white light, click on the white light and keep the brightness. Okay, this is the normal brightness.